Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you sign up for Neteller account. So let's get into the video. So get to neteller.com. So open your browser and go to their website. So once you're on neteller.com, you'll see the screen here where it says sign up now. So click on the sign up option. So once you click on the sign up option here, we need to provide some basic information. So I'm just waiting for it to load. All right, so now here you just need to fill this in, just type in your name, all right, your name, country, and all those information. All right, so yep, and then just create a password and provide your email address that you would use to register. All right, so once that's done, then click on register. All right, so that's done. So now what you have to do is you just have to verify your email address. So I just need to go back to my email address and then click on the link that Neteller has sent me. So let me do that. So let me just go to my Gmail. I'm in my email and I'll just open that verification email from Neteller. So there you go. So that's the one. So I'll open that, and then just what I have to do is just have to click on this link to confirm the email address and verify it. So that's what happens. So I'm just doing that. And then once this is done, then this should be done. All right, so just log into your account with the password that you just created and just type in login, and it should be done by now. So there you go, it should be done. So it's just coming up. All right, and yes, that's it, done. So you have already created an account, and that's what it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.